Hey there, hustlers! Welcome back to Earn with Henny. Today, we're going to share with you some simple side hustles that can help you make $100 every day. Yes, you read that right, $100 every day. So, let's dive right in. Side hustles are small businesses or freelance work that you can do in your spare time to earn extra money. They're perfect for people who want to make some extra cash, but don't have a lot of time to commit to a full-time business. Side Hustle 1. Online Surveys. Our first side hustle is online surveys. You can earn money by completing surveys through websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. It's easy, and you can do it in your spare time. Side Hustle 2. Selling products online. Our second side hustle is selling products online through platforms like eBay and Amazon. You can start by selling items you no longer need, and then move on to finding cheap products to resell. Side Hustle 3. Freelance work. Our third side hustle is freelance work. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, and social media management on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Start your side hustle today. So, there you have it, 3 simple side hustles that can help you make $100 every day. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get you started. The key is to find something you enjoy and can commit to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Earn with Henny for more content like that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.